Hello, it's Ijoma here, and I want to announce to you all that we are introducing a new class, our Bubu online class. I wanted to introduce the draping class first, but so many people have been requesting for this particular class, and here I will make it very affordable so that whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you can afford this class. It's just 5,000 naira. And in the class, you are going to be learning different types of bubu, varieties of bubu dresses. People with a drawstring, cow bubu, kimono, how to work with mikado, duchess, ankara. You're going to learn different finishing techniques for this bubu. And in case you want to do the ready to wear part of this bubu, you may have to register for this class because I'm going to be giving out a size chart that you can use to work for different sizes. Okay, we are going to be sewing about 5 or 6 bubu dresses in this particular class. And imagine getting that for 5,000 naira, and all the styles will be detailed as possible. So if you are struggling with finishing your bubu, knowing the size to use or knowing the amount of fabric to use, you may have to register for this class, and the class will commence on the 27th of June. If you are yet to register, hit my DM and I'll direct you on how to register. Thank you all and see you in class. Bye.